everyone. I am Rupal Sudhar. Welcome all present over here. Hope you are all fit and fine at your homes. Dear students, we know that due to the corona pandemic, the whole country has locked down itself. The country is struggling with schools, teachers, and lack of education. I started giving online classes to continue our study. Now it is easy to make connection with you all. Today we will discuss about the simple interest. Sometimes when people are in need of money, they borrow it from a friend, a money lender or a bank. Similarly, when people have access money, they deposit this money in banks, and in this case it is in the bank which pays interest to the people. The money taken as loan or deposit in a banks is known as the principal. Usually we denote it by P. This principal has to be returned back after a fixed period of a time along with an additional sum. It's called a interest. The simple interest that we're referring to here is a simple interest that is called as I. The rate percent R is the rate at which the interest is calculated on rupees 100. It is usually called per annum. The interest rate is agreed upon the time of taking the loan or depositing money. The time period T is the period for which the money is borrowed or given, and the money repaid or given back which includes the interest and the principal is called the amount A. Here is the some laws or simple formulas you should remember. Simple interest SI is equal to amount minus principal. Amount is equal to simple interest plus principal. Principal is equal to amount minus simple interest. And finding the solution of simple interest, here is the formula is simple interest is equal to PRT divided by 100. P is equal to SI multiplied by 100 divided by R into T. This formula is used to find the principal. R is equal to SI multiplied by 100 divided by P into T. This formula is used to find the rate, and T is equal to, that means time, SI multiplied by 100 divided by P into R. This formula is used to find the time. Let us discuss this all over things to our example. Here is example number 1. Joy deposited rupees 3000 at the rate of 7% per annum for 3 years. Find the simple interest. Let's find the solution. Here principal P is equal to 3000 rupees. The rate of interest per annum R is equal to 7% PA, that means per year. And time T is equal to here 3 years. So our formula to find the simple interest SI is equal to PRT divided by 100. So here 3000 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 3 divided by 100. So here answer is 630 rupees. And the final answer, the simple interest is 630 rupees. Example number 2. Sonu borrowed rupees 7500 from her friend and after 1 year returned rupees 8250 to his friend. Calculate the simple interest and rate. Let us find the solution. Here principal P is 7500 rupees. Amount A is equal to 8250 rupees. Time T is equal to 1 year. So Simple interest is equal to amount minus principal. Here amount is 8,250 minus principal is 7,500 rupees, that is equal to 750 rupees. Here Sonu pays rupees 750 as interest in 1 year. So rupees 7,500 earns an interest of 750 in 1 year. Therefore, rupees 100 earns an interest of 750 multiplied by 100 divided by 7,500, that is equal to 10 rupees. So, the rate of interest in this case is therefore rupees 10 on rupees 100, or simply we call it as 10% per annum. Let us discuss some more example over here. Lucy deposited rupees 12,500 in a bank for 3 years. After 3 years, she received rupees 15,500 from the bank as the amount. What is the rate of interest she received from the bank? In this case, we have to find the rate of the interest. Let us find. Here, principal P is equal to 12,500 rupees. Amount A is equal to 15,500 rupees. Time T is equal to 3 years. So, simple interest is equal to amount minus principal. Here, amount is 15,500 minus principal is 12,500. So, our answer is rupees 3,000. Now, what we have to find? We have to find the rate. Here, rate is equal to SI, that means simple interest multiplied by 100 divided by P into T. So, here 3,000 multiplied by 100 divided by 12,500 multiplied by 3. So, answer is 8%. So, here the rate of interest is 8% per annum. More example over here. In how many years will a sum of money double itself at 10% simple interest per annum? Here the solution is, let the principal be rupees 100 and the amount after the specified time is 200, because our condition is the sum of money double itself. Now the interest is equal to amount minus principal. Here amount is 200 and principal we think that is 100. So 200 minus 100, that is the 100 rupees. Here rate is equal to 10% per annum. So we have to find the time. Time is equal to simple interest multiplied by 100 divided by P into R. So here 100 multiplied by 100 divided by 100 multiplied by 10. So our answer is 10 years. So in 10 years, sum of money double itself at a 10% interest per annum. Now, the simple interest on a sum of money for 5 years at a 6% per annum is rupees 120 more than the simple interest on the same sum at 5% per annum for 4 years. Find the sum invested. We have to find the sum of amount that we invested in this case. Let us find the solution. Here, let the principal be rupees 100 in both the cases. So, for simple interest for 5 years at 6% is equal to 100 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 5 divided by 100 is equal to 100 will be cancelled and 6 5s are, that will be 30. So 30 rupees. Simple interest for 4 years at a 5% is equal to 100 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 4 divided by 100. So 100 will be cancelled and 5 4s are, that is 20. So here 20 rupees. So the difference is 30 rupees minus 20 rupees for 5 years and 4 years is equal to 10 rupees. If the difference is rupees 10, the principal is rupees over here 100. So, if the difference is rupees 120, because here condition is a 120 more than the simple interest, the principal is equal to 100 multiplied by 120 divided by 10, that is equal to 1200 rupees. So, rupees 1200 was invented in the both the cases. Thank you all over the dear students. I hope that will be very easy to calculate the simple interest of the any amount. Thank you.